Hi friend, welcome to Promise channel. Today we will see what is there in the tables group of insert tab. This video will teach you about one of the toughest things in Excel, that is pivot table. So let me explain you what is pivot table. It is table with advanced level of filters which is used when, for example, there are multiple entries of the same person buying different things like the ones in this table, as you can see over here. Now for pivot table, I need not select the whole table but a cell in the table this way, and then I go to insert tab in which I am already there, and then select pivot option. You will see a few options which will ask you that whether you want to select the table from this sheet or other sheet, and if you want the pivot table to be placed in new worksheet or the existing worksheet, then click on OK. I have put the pivot table in the next worksheet. After that, at your right hand side you will see pivot table fields here. Then set the non-numerical data, that is buyer, in rows this way, and numerical data, that is product 1 and other product, in values this way. Here you will see that the row labels here show the name of the buyers and the duplicate entry is removed, and the some product of 1 is visible. Not only some, you can also see min, max and other things this way. I click on the arrow over here, go to value field settings, and then select on max, and then select max option, and then click on OK. Now Arnav has bought 50 products max in product 1, and Pramit has bought 47 and Shubham has bought 58 products. Now let me switch it to sum again this way. Okay. So the sum of product 1, that is sum of all these products which Pramit, Shubham and Arnav has brought, is this much. And here is the grand total of all the products of product 1. You can filter out the number of buyers if you want in this way. For example, I click on the arrow over here and then remove Pramit and Arnav from the option. Here I click on the checkbox of Shubham and then click on OK. So I can see the sum of product of Shubham and to product to sum this way of Shubham. Moving on to the pivot chart option, but first I'll remove the filters and select on all. Now back to the insert tab. Now I'll go to the pivot chart option, select pivot chart. It is used to show data in a visual format, for especially in pivot tables. Now I can select any one pivot chart. This is the double bar chart, this is the multiple bar chart, this is the 3D bar chart, this is the 100% stacked bar. I select 3D stacked bar and then click on OK. And like it was there in the previous video, we can change colors, add chart elements and all the stuff which is there in the previous video. I will put the link of the previous video of the English version in the description. You can see it over there. Well, you can use it in this way. See, here I'll need to add some data labels this way. So Shubham has bought product 194 and product 277. This is the sum of the products which Shubham has bought of product 1 and product 2. So the video for today ends here. See you in next video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.